Dear loving children, today we are not going to study any new portion of science. We will take the revision of this unit 1, 2 and 3. So, our pre-midterm examination will be on the month of August. Maximum mark is 25. Portions of science examination unit 1, 2 and 3. Date of examination 3/8/2020. Form of examination multiple choice question will be given in the form of Google, and name the following and answer the following questions will be given in the form of PDF. Next, important instructions of this examination. Write on a ruled paper, means you write in a single line answer sheet. First, you write your name, class, section, subject, date and name of the examination. Third one, write neatly with a pencil only. Don't use pen. Fourth one, put question number properly. Those who are not put the question number, you will not get any mark. Letters should be legible, means write very clearly. Sixth one, do not make spelling mistake. Here, I will give some more model question. Listen. First section is multiple choice. Plant grows towards dash, sunlight, air, the sky. Correct answer is sunlight. Second one, the part of plant that fix it to the ground. Root, stem, leaf. Answer root. A seed grows into dash, baby, young one, sapling. Means answer a sapling. Fourth one, an example of natural things are rocks, table, toys. Answer, correct answer, rocks. Insects breathe through dash, gills, lungs, air holes. Correct answer is air holes. Water travels through all parts of plant from the dash, root, stem, leaf. Answer is stem. Section B. Name the following. Name the green color present in the leaf. Here you write the answer only. That word only you write. Chlorophyll. Name the living things that do not have sense organs. Plants. Name the two types of root system in plants. Taproot and fibrous root system. Name any two insects. Next, section C. Answer the following questions. What are human-made things? Give two examples of human-made things. Some non-living things are made by humans are called human-made things. Examples, aeroplane and kite. When I read this answer, you should also read with me. What are the different ways in which living things reproduce? The different ways of reproduction in living things are: plants reproduce through seeds, animals lay eggs or give birth to young ones. Third question, what are the functions of roots? Don't make confusion. Functions of root and stem also there. So, important function of root is root help the plant firmly into the soil. and root absorb water and minerals from the soil. Here, what are the important functions of stem? Stem helps the plant to stand straight. Stem carries food prepared by the leaves to other parts of plant. Why are leaves called the food factories of a plant? The leaves prepare food for the plant, so leaves are called food factories of a plant. Now we are going to start the revision. Revision of Unit 1. Here we have learned about living things, non-living things, natural things, man-made things, and the important features of living and non-living things, or we can say what are the differences between living and non-living things. Just recall all the points, or you can say with me. Living things means some things have life. They are called living things. Examples of living things: dog, butterfly, human beings. Non-living things means some things do not have life. They are called non-living things. Examples: table, bricks, car. We can see different another example also. Just study that also. Any example you can write it. Human made things. Some non-living things are made by humans. They are called human made things. Examples: house, car, toys. Some non-living things are found in nature. They are called natural things. Examples: rocks, water, soil. Next, important features of living things. Living things means it includes plants and animals. So, all need air to breathe. Plants need oxygen, same way animals also need oxygen to live. Next, living things eat. All plants and animals need food. Third one, living things feel. All plants and animals feel. Animals feel the things with the help of sense organs, but some plants they have special hormones to feel. Living things move. Plants do not move, but animals can move from place to place in search of food, shelter, and to escape from enemies. Living things, fifth one, living things grow. All living things grow means all plants and animals grow. Living things reproduce. All plants and animals they produce their own kind. Plants reproduce through seeds. Animals give birth or lay eggs. Next, what are the important features of non-living things? Just opposite of the living things features. First one, non-living things do not breathe. They don't want they don't want air, don't want food. Second one, non-living things do not eat and non-living things do not move. Features of non-living things. Fourth point, non-living things do not feel. Non-living things cannot grow. Non-living things do not reproduce. Second lesson we have learned about Plants and animals. Different types of plants are there. Different types of animals are also there. First, we have classified plants into two groups. They are green plants and non-green plants. Most of the plants have green in color in the leaves, so they can make food because chlorophyll is present. So what is the name of that color? Its name is chlorophyll, spelling CHLOROPHYLL. Next is non-green plants. They don't have any green color in the leaves, so they cannot make food because green color is absent. Then animals can be divided into three groups. They are plant. Some are plant eaters, some are flesh eaters, some are both plant and flesh eaters. Some plants eat only plants. They are called plant eaters. Elephant, giraffe, cow, deer are the examples of plant eaters. Next, breathing. Plants breathing feature means plants breathe through small air holes on the leaves, but animals have special organs for breathing. Human beings have nose. Insects have air holes on their body. Fish has gills, and other animals breathe through the lungs. Next, plants. All the plants don't have seeds. Some plants have seeds. They are reproduced through seeds. Plants do not have sense organs. For example, all the plants. Have you ever seen any sense organ on their body? No. But when we touch the leaves of touch me not plant, they can respond, but they don't have sense organs. Next, features of animals. First, we have learned about features of plants. They breathe through the air holes on the leaves. They reproduce through seeds. They do not have sense organs. Here we will study about we have learned about the important features of animals. Animals move from place to place in search of food, water and shelter. Most of the animals breathe through lungs. Few of them breathe through the air holes on their body. Dog and example dog, cat. Animals give birth to babies and few of them lay eggs. Birds lay eggs. All other animals give birth to babies. Next, important feature of animals. They respond to changes. All animals have sense organs. With the help of sense organs, they respond to changes through actions. Revision. Unit 3. Here we have learned about the important parts of plant. Root, stem, leaf, flower and seeds are the important parts of plant. So, just remember what is the meaning of trunk. Trunk means hard and woody stem of plant is called trunk. Important functions of stem. Stem helps the plant to stand straight, and stem carries food prepared by the leaves to other parts of the plant. Stem also store extra food. Some plants, the stem store extra food in the stem. For example, we have learned that sugarcane plant store extra food in the stem. Then we have learned about underground stems. So, ginger, examples of underground stem, ginger and potato. Then we have learned about leaf. Most of the plants have leaf. Some plants, only cactus plants, you cannot see any leaf. You can see only thorns in the cactus plant. So, important parts of leaf. Broad portion of leaf is called lamina. Then center of the leaf you can see the main vein, and the leaf connect to the stem is called stalk. Then what is the important functions of leaf? Leaves are called kitchen of the plant. So leaves prepare food with the help of air, water and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. What are the things needed for photosynthesis? Air, water, chlorophyll, minerals. These things, with the help of these things, they make the food themselves. But animals cannot make their food, they depend on plants. Then we have learned about the important part is root. So color of root is brown in color. It always in the under the soil. Shoot you can see above the soil. The part of the plant above the soil is called a shoot, and the part of the plant below the soil is called a root. There are two types of root you can see. There is one main root which grows deep into the soil. Example, carrot and mustard plant. Then another type of root is number of small roots arising at the bottom of the stem. They are called fibrous roots. Example, grass and onion plant. Then important functions of roots. Three important functions. Roots fix the plant firmly in the soil. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and carry them to the stem. Third one, the roots of the plant like the carrot and beetroot store food made by the leaves. Then flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. Part of flower develops into a fruit. We like to eat fruits because it has sweet taste. So some flowers have many petals, some of them have 4 or 5 petals. Here examples of flowers have many petals are rose, daisy, dahlia, tulip. Some flowers also have pleasant smell. Examples of flowers are jasmine, rose, lily and chamba. Few flowers have unpleasant smell. Example, rafflesia. Few flowers have nectar. Examples of flowers are sunflower, hibiscus, daisy, marigold. So, the main function of flower is it helps in reproduction. Next important part of plant is seed. Fruits contain seed. New plants grow from the seed. Some fruits have just only one seed. Examples of such fruits are mango, cherry, gooseberry, lychee. Some fruits have few seeds. Examples of fruits sapota, grapes, orange, and apple. Some fruits have no seed. Examples: pineapple, banana, mulberry. There are some other fruits have many seeds. Examples of such fruits: jackfruit, watermelon, pomegranate, papaya. Important function of seed is seeds store food for the baby plant. So children, read a textbook, notebook, and whatever exercise is given in the textbook and in the worksheet. You should study well, and all students should get 25 out of 25. So try your level best and wish you all the God's blessings and all the best. Thank you, children.